This is our relatively ancient computer lab. 34 stations. Right now we're running Windows XP in a disk freeze system. Uses a proprietary thing, Saming, from mainland China, I believe. That's an EEPROM on a network card. So we have to migrate off this, and I'm going to show right now one of my choices, which is network boot, modified elementary OS. Just a minute while it comes up. This is feeding off my little machine downstairs. So you can see I have some other test scenarios up. Right now I've been testing Mint with my students, and we have Chinese for that, but it isn't a modified ISO. My students actually didn't take to Mint. It was a little bit too much like Windows, I think, and it confused them that it wasn't Windows. So I switched over to elementary, and this is the modified operating system. Sorry for the autofocus problem. I have Splash and Quiet turned off here because I'm kind of in a debugging scenario, but the regular ISOs boot with a splash screen. That is not scary for our students at all, or probably more so for the teachers. You can see the boot speed here. This is running off a regular laptop drive downstairs. I expect to have a little bit better speed once I switch over to SSD. All right, there you can see I have a little modified system here. We have Chrome pre-installed, as well as WPS Office. The system auto starts Chrome because, you know, most of what we do is in Google Apps. So just get our kids started there. And of course, applications work. iBus is started, although I'm having trouble getting the preferences for iBus to stick. Here you can see load time for WPS. Load time is not, you know, especially snappy, but it's not that slow either. And you can see. Let's try it again. Once the NFS server has cached something, restarting is generally pretty quick. See there? Okay. That's the modified elementary OS that we're planning to use. The only step that we have to make right now, this has full admin rights, including the ability to destroy the hard disk that's currently in. So we're going to move to logging into a limited guest account, but in order to do that, I have to make some edits because Chrome doesn't like to run in that situation, and several other apps too that don't like to run sandboxed in a guest mode. Long term, we look at actually having network logins via netbooted ISO image, connect to NFS home. That's about it.